Champion won't be crowned till the end of May, but preparation starts today. Chris Kemper, the public relations manager for the Bee, joins us here today to tell us how we can start preparing, what we need to do right now to make sure our kids and our kids' schools are involved.
First off, it's great to see you.
You too.
Thanks for having me.
I love it. I love talking about the Bee, believe me.
We're in the Bee's hive right here. We're based right here in Cincinnati.
That's right.
A lot of people don't realize that. But this is a very important time of year for the spelling bee. You know, all of the attention is focused in late May and early June when we crown the national champion. But this is a very important time of year because this is when schools enroll. So if you want your child to compete regionally and nationally to go on in Washington, D.C., this is the time for the schools to enroll and participate in the National Spelling Bee.
It's good to know. I mean, this is the Scripps National Spelling Bee, but spellingbee.com is like just the headquarters. You got everything you need to know on that website.
It is a one-stop shop. So if you are a PTO leader or an educator or an administrator and you want to enroll your school, you can do it there. If you're a parent and you want to see if your child's school is enrolled, you can do it there. Or if you just have a question, you can go to spellingbee.com/contact us and you can ask questions there.
There's resources for teachers that come up with vocabulary and lesson plans and stuff. Let's talk about the vocabulary because last year at the main bee, which was what we're watching now, the National Bee, there was a vocabulary element for the first time. This is the first time spellingbee.com is adding that to what the schools can use to get them ready.
Exactly correct. So last year was the first year we incorporated vocabulary as a formal portion of the competition. It was very well received. And this year we are delivering all of that content at the school and classroom and regional level because we feel like it's great that we want you to know how to spell the word, but we also want you to know what it means.
Right.
So vocabulary and spelling are in essence two sides of the same coin, and they're both very important. So
and one helps the other, too.
Exactly, absolutely. So you said you're a good speller, so I bet you.
I say that, but don't test me. I mean, my goodness. No, not today. I need to study first. But that's exactly the point, though. These kids are starting now to get ready for May into June. But it's not just enrolling that you get from signing up on spellingbee.com. There's a lot more.
A virtual bee in a box at spellingbee.com. So you get the pronouncer guides, you get the word list, you even get the award certificate. Everything is there that a classroom or school would need to enroll to get their local spelling bee going. And really, you know, all the attention it goes to Washington, D.C. into the national championship, but so much of the educational value of the spelling bee takes place at that classroom and at that school level.
That's the fun part. I mean, I remember right now which ones I missed in the 6th grade. You know, schools have until October 15th to enroll, and then there's a fee after that, so we want to let you know that. Right. And Scripps, of course, is Channel 9's parent company. We'll host the regional spelling bee coming up in the spring. So thanks for coming in.
Thank you for having me.